The linear coupling mate in SOLIDWORKS gives you the option to move two components according to each other, abiding the rules defined by you. For instance, you want to move the top cube 1 unit when the bottom cube moves 2 units. To do this, I've ensured that the components can only move in the same direction. Now, I select the advanced mates and press linear coupling. Next, I select two parallel faces of the cubes. Note that the color scheme on the ratio matches the selected faces. On the ratio, I want right 1 to 2. This means that when the first selection moves 1 unit, the second selection moves 2 units. When I move either cube, the other one acts according to the mate rule. The advanced distance and angle mate are pretty similar to each other. They can be used to simulate limited movements between two components. Again, I go to the advanced mates and now I select distance. And then I select the faces of the first cube and the face of the other. Now I write maximum distance of 50 mm and a minimum distance of 0. The selected faces can now move 50 mm within each other. The same applies for the advanced angular mate. I select the angular mate and the faces. I type in the degree and switch the mate alignment if needed. And then the components can now move within this angle.